Hi, I'm Eric Kimball, and I have a quick little update video for you here about this strawberry bed. This bed was established last year. I did a series of like 4 or 5 videos. I have a playlist. If you want to watch them, starting with the first one right on through, it'll be in the description below. I want to give an update because after going through the winter, we're at a point where there's strawberries here, and that's great. I'm going to pick these berries. It's starting to sprinkle. It's going to rain. I want to get the berries that are ready picked, and I want to show you what I have here. But I'm going to explain that what I did for the winter, in the fall, what I did in the fall was I put dried leaves, not shredded, but just dried leaves, raked up from my lawn here, and I covered it with plastic and the whole bed, and I weighted it down with tire sidewalls. The mother plants, the 2 rows of mother plants, made it through the winter just fine, but many, in fact maybe most, of the daughter plants did not. And I don't know why, but they didn't make it. I thought they were rooted quite well and established, but they didn't make it. So the success of this is not total at this point, but I've got berries here, and I got some nice berries, and they are delicious berries. I'm going to pick them, and I'll show you where the daughter plants did not get established, but we've got runners coming out here. These plants are going to go at it again and send out the runners, and the runners will establish themselves into the spots for the daughter plants, and this bed will continue. But I have not watered it. I have not fertilized it. I thought about doing a foliar fertilizer feed on it, but I didn't. And the berries, like I said, they're delicious. That series of videos that I made last year, I titled them Growing Strawberries Without Cultivation, Weeding, or Watering. And the idea is one that I got from Tom Doyle's little booklet, Gardening Without Cultivation. He said, you know, plant your rows of berries on black plastic, permanent, high quality, UV resistant black plastic. This is silo tarp, bunker cover plastic. There's different names for it, but it's 6 mil UV resistant. And I buried the edges, and I put 2 rows of mother plants down through there. Got them from Norse Farms. Very happy with Norse Farms. You can see all that in the videos that I made last year. You can see here the mother plants are on the left, and there's 2 daughter plants right here that made it through the winter. A few made it, and they're very productive. Look at all those berries. So yeah, then you can see these holes right here that were made for daughter plants, and they had daughter plants. I thought they were well established, but evidently not. They died. They didn't make it through the winter. The mother plants, they're sending out the runners, and we'll try again. See if we can get those established for next year. So yeah, I'm going to pick and see what we get. There's a lot of berries yet to come here. We'll be harvesting for another week, maybe 2. It's been very dry, so these berries would probably be bigger if we had more moisture, but they are delicious nevertheless. So I have beat the rain, I'm glad to say, and this is the last of my berries right here. And now that I'm done, I hope it rains good and hard. We could really use it, and the berries would like that. So there we go. Got a couple of quarts, I would say, and I haven't eaten a single one. And I'm going to do that, but it's not polite to eat in front of people. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. There's one I missed right there.